G'day guys, Ben and Marty from Snowy's here, and today we're having a look at our brand new Outdoor Connection dog bed range. So there's three products looking at today. First is the large dog bed. Now this one here, it's 87 by 87 centimeters. It's made of a 600 denier nice thick polyester with a PVC backing on it as well. And we've also got a cross webbing frame here. It's made of 16 millimeter powder coated steel, so it's a really strong, and it holds up to 50 kilos. So a nice big dog just like Marty will be absolutely no problems on the Outdoor Connection bed. Now if we have a look at the small one, we can also see how they're set up. It's really quite simple. Now they come with a carry bag. So the small one here, just sort of pull it out of its bag, and it literally just folds out and lays flat. Now the small one's 62 by 62. You can also hold 50 kilos, but you're probably not going to get a dog big enough on that one to worry about the 50 kilo limit. And now the last thing we're going to show you, we've got the fleece blanket. Now these ones here, they are designed for the large, but you can put it over the small. We've got some tabs on it, so it goes over the corner of your large bed. But if it's the colder months, you can keep your pup nice and warm just with that nice fleece blanket over like that. So these are all available right now on our website. It's snowys.com.au with fast free delivery to most of Australia. And be quick though, because these are sure to be popular. Until next time, happy camping.